Welcome to our weekly updates for AP Stats. You can expect weekly installations of our weekly updates, giving you highlights of what to expect for the week to come. This is for week 1 of September 4th to September 7th. The first thing I want to talk about is just to make sure that you have your notifications turned on for the updates here that I will post on Schoology. I do plan on having the weekly breaking news along with any question and answers that students may have. To turn those notifications on, please go up here to your name on the drop down and click on notifications. When you get there, you're going to want to go to course updates posted and make sure you have that turned on. Now, I will tell you, I personally would like to get these on my phone and not just directly to the email. What you can do is set this up here where it says send notifications to your phone via text messages. So you need to make sure you turn this on first, and then you will have the option to actually just have them sent to you via a text message, so you don't miss any important updates for our course. The second thing is, if you have not stopped by my room yet, please come by and get your Chapter 1 note packet, which is going to kind of tell us the plan as we first get started. You do have a non-mathematical assignment scheduled for Wednesday and Thursday on Schoology, and you can find that if you look at the calendar on Schoology. Then we will officially kick off the content material on Friday with Learning Objectives 1A and B. So please come in as soon as you can and introduce yourself to me so we can get to know each other better, and you can get your materials and formula sheets so you can start the class right away. One thing you will learn is that this course is set up to be like a standard class where you are typically on pace with the material. There may be times where you get a little bit behind pace, but then again you will want to get yourself back on pace. Now, the one thing is, if you want to work ahead and get ahead of pace, you are more than welcome to do so. You are not required to work ahead of pace, but if you want to work ahead of pace and move into later chapters, feel free to do that. I'm excited for this year to get kicked off, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you as you come in to pick up your materials this week. I hope you have a great start to our online course.